Health problems of seafarers. Uh, we have 7 dangerous diseases or disorders seafarers should be aware of. Number 1, hand-arm vibration syndrome. Hand transmitted vibration is the one major hazard that seafarers face during their course of work. Operating power tools such as chipping machine, needle guns, and needle-held grinders is the main reason for such syndrome. Number 2, cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular disease is a commonly found in the seafaring community as a general physician. Various mortality studies have revealed that the percentage of seafarers who die because of cardiovascular disease is because of common factors, which is a combination of genes, age, smoking, and other reasons influenced by conditions aboard such as stress, diet, lack of exercise, etc. Number 3, musculoskeletal disorder. According to the survey conducted by European-based health research facility on board Norwegian and Danish flag, offshore vessels, mainly seafarers, were reported to suffer from serious disorder related to muscular and skeleton structure of their body. The reason was that the offshore operations are carried out by the modern fleets with high-end technology and round-the-clock schedule in all types of weather conditions. Many seafarers work on straight 12-hour shift or 6 to 6 off shifts, which leave them very less time of any major physical activities. For cancer, 1 out of 8 deaths globally is because of cancer, and the scenario getting worse. As far as seafarers are concerned, has also been a gradual increased various of cases of cancer. The most common among them being lung cancer, renal cancer, leukemia, and lymphoma. Even the occupational hazards such as asbestos, benzene are being removed or substituted on shift. Nearly potential carcinogens such as beryllium, cadmium, and lead, etc. Number 5, STD, sexually transmitted disease. Just like food and water, sex is also basic need of all human beings. Seafarers are no different. Traveling to different countries makes seafarers vulnerable to sexually transmitted disease such as HIV, AIDS, and venereal diseases like gonorrhea and syphilis. AIDS is the major concern because it is result into serious consequences on both professional and personal life. In recent days, seafarers do not fit the ratio type of having women every fourth, but owing to the long-term isolation, lack of leisure and recreation facility, and ability of strong sex industry is in almost every port of call, seafarers are easily susceptible to unsafe sexual activities and make them victim of the fatal diseases. 6. Pandemic and epidemic disease. Because of their nature of work, seafarers are bound to visit many ports in different parts of the world and are thus exposed to various pandemic and epidemic diseases such as malaria, cholera, yellow fever, tuberculosis, etc. Seafarers are vaccinated and medically checked thoroughly. However, they are major danger of the exposed to sudden outbursts of new diseases in area they visit. An example can be the recent outburst of Ebola in Africa countries and COVID-19 in China. 7. Hypertension. Hypertension is mentioned as one of the major occupation hazard on board merchant and offshore fleets. Explosive stress, fatigue, loneliness, smoking, consumption of alcohol, lack of physical activities, etc. are the main causes for the same. Hypertension can also lead to other illness like smoke, renal failure, etc. Change in lifestyle and food habits, quitting smoking and alcohol, engaging in physical activities such as exercise, swimming, yoga, etc. can reduce hypertension to great extent.